Morning guys, Easter Sunday here at Unity Beach in Breen Sands. At last the sun has made an appearance. Brilliant, everyone's happy, smiling. So new to our showground here, Regal Hemsworth, 40 foot by 12. It's a big boy, it's a 3-bedroom, 2022 brand new, on at 69,995. These Hemsworths are great vans. Let's get you inside to have a look. There we go, straight into nice area for our coats and boots. Dining area, huge kitchen area. That's what makes these so popular. Loads of prep space. Great specification. There's our dishwasher. Integrated appliances, of course. Fridge and freezer beneath. There we go. Really comfortable lounge. Nice space there for a big TV and all our media bits and pieces. There we go. So 3 bedrooms, but 8 berth. This will have a pull-out bed underneath that sofa. Great van. Let's take you down through into the living accommodation, into our bathroom. Here we are. Storage absolutely everywhere in these vans. And 3 bedrooms. Bedroom 1, first twin, wardrobe either side. Second is a twin. There we go. And into the 3rd bedroom. Lovely space, double wardrobes, nice vanity area there, and another lovely spacious ensuite. So this will be put onto the plot, and the ideal place for this will be Primrose Way. Site fees will be covered for this year. And those site fees include 12 passes for you, your friends, your family, for all of the entertainment and all of the facilities here, be it the swimming complex, the pool, sauna, steam room. We'll sign you up as members to the gym. 2 entertainment venues, the one down at the pavilion will be opening end of May. Brand new facility down there with sports bar, cabaret, entertainment venue. There's the pool across there, look, you can just see the slides poking up. And across there, the full fun fair on site. Not many holiday resorts, so they've got a full fun fair on site. And looking across, our country club is across that way with our own 18-hole golf course. Sky is blue. So I'm Simon, 07973 620 351. Give me a call about this great van or any others. Talk to me about joining us here at Unity Beach. Ask me about the plans we've got for upgrading pretty much every corner of this park now and for the coming years. It's a great time to be joining us here at Unity Beach. Many have, many want to, and many will. Have a great Easter, guys. We'll speak to you very soon. Take care of yourselves.